Well, afternoon folks, Skip 20 here, working on my Subaru engine. Just a quick little update. I got the manifold done, the heads, the unsuccessful engine, and 2 valve covers. I've been in the process of putting in little 3mm magnets. And boy, have they been a pain. I guess you can see them on here. There's 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 on there, 8 on the head. What I've been doing is using an Allen wrench, grab the tip of the magnet, which sticks to it nicely, make sure it's in the right polarity to whatever part it's going to attach to, peel it off with my thumbnails, put a little bit of cheap super glue from Harbor Freight into the holes, and they fit nicely. And I have to use my finger to peel it off and move the Allen key away before it decides to jump back on it. These are done. You'll also notice that this one has a throttle body. Not only a throttle body, but a throttle. Now this came off. It is not a Subaru throttle body, but I think only die-hard Subaru people will notice that. This came off his Toyota engine. I don't know, I think it was a remix from his engine. And I had my friend design me up a black wedge to help straighten it out a little bit. Now in the pictures, this is always sitting on there backwards. This is supposed to fit towards the back of the engine, like so. But now the heads are backwards. Well, pop them off. These use 4mm magnets. Got 4 of them there. 4 of them there. 3mm screws to look like it's bolted down. I recommended that we had to glue the manifold to the manifold extension. I'm going to see if I can find some 2 or 1mm screws to put inside those holes. 3mm won't fit. I think they look too big anyway. Okay, let's turn the heads around. Actually, it was on the head correctly. There we go. So this is the front of the engine. I have 3 Subaru engines in my kit car, so I know that points towards the back. I like to make a air cleaner pipe coupled to a dome air cleaner. Still working on that. The hardware kit came in, as you can probably figure. And this is the only oil pan I can find that fits the speed control. Has a little mountain to the back and sticks out the front. And a hole in the back for the starter motor. However, the hole is off-centered, and the big round holes, the little ones around it, must be for a different motor, because this one doesn't want to fit. believe there's a gear going from this up to the flywheel. So I can't do anything until I get the engine together and get the crank in there and the pistons and the flywheel and do a redesign on that oil pan. There's 3 of them on it. One is for no electronics. It has no holes. Another one has a hole for a motor, but nothing else. Anyway, that's the little 3mm magnets. I don't know if it will focus for me, but they're tiny. That's it. I got both my printers printing out a frame for my 7-inch touchscreen monitor. So as soon as that's done, my new silver came in. Hopefully I won't have the problem I've been having with the other one, where it gets jammed up in the excluder and starts skipping and everything else. That was a cheap roll that they sell from when they switched filaments. And they say it might have some screw-ups. And apparently it does. So as soon as this one's done, I'm going to print half the engine on this. It will take 12 hours. And the other half, we'll probably get started on this one. And that one takes 13 hours. Bigger size. Anyhow, that's it. I'm out of here. Have a good weekend. We got, what, 9 days till Christmas? So I still got to do all the cam work. Have a good one. Sayonara.